Hey guys, and welcome back to the first video on the Audi, and the first video will be really simple. I will just change this fuse box because the one that I have right now it's damaged. So guys, as you can see, this one is looking bad, but someone already tried to make something in here because this connection here is damaged, and someone jumped. So guys, I will try to install the new one, which I believe would be way better than this one. So guys, let's go.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
So guys, the reason that I changed this is, as you can see, as I told you, someone jumped this fuse. They delete this connection right here, and as you can see, this is broken. The only thing I need to see it's how to hold, because this connection right here, it's a little bit different, because this stays down and the other one stays like in this direction, but I'll find a way. But at least everything is working, and way better than this. This is something that I always wanted to do since I have the car, but it is what it is. So guys, at least for now I have a new fuse box, and actually with the cover and not this thing. So guys, if you are trying to replace your fuse box, make sure that your connection, in this model of course, make sure that the box that you buy it have, you know, this connection plug for downside. But guys, the first improvement it's made. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Stay tuned.